Hi, Paul Hansen here with you once again. Today I want to talk to you about how to start your own online business or affiliate marketing. And it isn't quite as simple as typing up a few web pages and throwing them on the internet in hopes of making money. It takes some time, effort, and some monetary investment to get started. But there are some things that you can do to get your business off the ground quickly and successfully. Now, I want to leave you here with some important tips that I hope will help you do just that. First and foremost, do what you love. Now, if you enjoy what you do for a living, you'll never have to work another day in your life, right? Now, we've all heard that, right? So figure out what it is that will make you happy and take steps towards making that happen. And one of the big things, and I tell everybody, is to start with affiliate marketing. While there are many ways you can go about building an online business, affiliate marketing is a great way to get started quickly and cheaply. Affiliate marketing basically means that you promote someone else's product or service using your website, social media accounts, and other outlets. If one of your followers or fans clicks on it and buys something, you earn a commission from that sale. Pretty simple. It's probably one of the easiest things to do out there. So, how do you do it? Well, build a website, first and foremost. If you want an easy way to get started with an online business, consider building a website around it. You can build a simple site on sites like Squarespace or WordPress. And if you follow me here, I'll have some new innovations rolling out very shortly that will be incredibly advantageous for you. Now, the other option is to learn how to code and make a website from scratch. Now, if you're like me, that's not going to work too well, right? Non-techie. So a good website will help you promote your business and drive traffic back to it. It's also a great way for people who are just starting out with an idea or a product to get some experience before launching something bigger. Oh, and then there is SEO. Can't forget about that, right? Optimize for search engines, right? Search engine optimization, or SEO, is one of those terms that gets tossed around a lot. But what does it mean? Well, at its core, SEO is simply about getting your content listed and indexed in search engines like Google and Bing. Now, I'm going to also be releasing more on this subject as part of the innovation with the website building that I'm going to be rolling out here very shortly. So stay tuned for that. Now, the next thing is also decide on your business model, right? So we've talked a little bit about affiliate marketing, etc. The first step in launching an online business is deciding on a model. Are you going to sell your own products or services? Is it going to be a store that sells products from other companies? An affiliate site where you make commissions by promoting other people's products and or services? You know, I've said before that affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and best ways to get started with an online business. Now, the other thing is that most people ignore, I'll raise my hand, is to set financial goals and consider monetization strategies. Before you begin building a new website, figure out how much money you need to make and how you're going to go about doing it. See, there are several ways to monetize websites. So, affiliate marketing, again. Affiliate marketing is when you earn commissions by promoting someone else's product. If there are products related to your niche, consider creating a website that features reviews and deals of these products, if applicable. Now, you can find affiliate partners on sites like ClickBank, Commission Junction, Pay.com, and of course, now if you're looking for more exclusivity, you may want to check out my website at Goofproofplan.com. Now, what else do we want to do? Define success and then take action. What does success mean for you? It's going to mean different things for different people. I know that. Okay? What works for me doesn't work for you. How will you know when you have reached it? Take some time to consider how you measure success. Keep yourself on track. Define what steps you need to take in order for you to reach your goals. For example, if one of your goals is to become debt-free and build an emergency fund, make a monthly budget that you work towards. That's going to be a big step towards reaching your goal. Hey, I thank you for listening. Stay tuned. Looking forward to talking to you again.